Murder trial of Sonya Massey will be moved to Peoria County due to the intense publicity it received in Sangamon County. Joey Rodriguez spoke to law experts and local advocacy groups to see if a venue change would make a difference in this trial, and is live this morning outside the Peoria County Courthouse. Hey Joey, what can you tell us about this request?
Hey, Rashawn, this request comes from Sean Grayson's defense attorneys. In their motion, they say that the high-profile nature of this case, combined with the attention it's already received, will make it difficult to separate fact from speculation once that trial begins. But law experts say that even switching the jury selection and trial to here in Peoria still presents a challenge. You have to remember, we are only an hour outside of Springfield. We do want to warn you that the video in the story could be alarming for some. It's been 9 months since Sonya Massey, a 36-year-old black woman, was shot and killed in her home by former Illinois Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson. Since Grayson's indictment, the case has gained international attention, which law experts say make high-profile cases like these challenging.
We're trying to keep them to have a clean, open outlook and an open mind to look at the case fairly.
With the trial and jury selection set to take place in Peoria, attorney Sean Cusack says it will still be a challenge finding a jury, but the attorneys will have a larger pool.
I think you'll have a larger number of people within that big jury pool that have not heard so much as, say, a resident of Springfield has about this case.
But the next challenge is navigating the case in a highly digital and polarized world.
To be able to select a jury or a venue where people are not swayed one way or another after reading that information. And it's also important to, throughout the stage of the trial, to keep those jurors that have been impaneled away from that stuff.
As for lessened publicity, both law experts and advocacy groups anticipate this move will not change much.
The subject of race, the subject of policing is a huge issue at the moment. And, you know, it's in everybody's conscience.
It's happening around the country. You know, police brutality is growing, whether it be a female officer or a male officer, a white officer, a black officer. The topic is growing, and it's not just in Illinois.
Since the announcement of the trial's move to Peoria, advocacy group Speak Out Illinois has encouraged the community to speak out themselves.
Just because we aren't attorneys, we can advise you, what we know, and your First Amendment right is always available. No one can take that away from you, and we encourage everyone to use it at all times.
Circuit Judge Ryan Cadigan has set a hearing date for April 23rd to schedule the trial. That hearing will still be in Springfield. For now, in Peoria, Joey Rodriguez, 25 News. Rashawn.
Thank you.